ভিডিঅ'ৰ মাজে আজি মই আপোনালোক সকলো মহিলাবিলাকক এটা মেছেজ দিব খুজিছোঁ, যদি আপোনালোকৰ কাম কৰিবলৈ মন কিন্তু প্লেটফৰ্ম নাজানে ক'ত যাব লাগে, কাৰ লগত লগ কৰিব লাগে, আপুনি উইমেন্স অফ গুৱাহাটী 777ত এটা নম্বৰ দিয়া আছে, সেই নম্বৰত আপোনালোক কল কৰিব আৰু আমাৰ লগত যোগাযোগ কৰিব। ধুনীয়াকৈ আপোনালোকক শিকাই দিম কেনেকৈ আগবাঢ়ি যাব লাগে, কেনেকৈ ব্যৱসায় কৰিব লাগে। আপুনি আমাৰ লগত জুৰক, আমি আপোনাৰ লগত জুৰি পেলাই এই সমাজখন ধুনীয়া বনাব পাৰে। কাৰণ যদি আমি ধুনীয়াকৈ আগবাঢ়িব পাৰিলে সমাজো ধুনীয়া হ'ব, আমাৰ নিজৰ ফেমিলি যদি ধুনীয়া হয় আমি সমাজ ধুনীয়া বনাব। আহক আপোনালোকক মই ইয়াতে এই গ্ৰুপত জড়িত হ'বলৈ কাৰণে এটা অনুৰোধ জনাইছোঁ আৰু আমি চব মিলি পেলাই আগবাঢ়ি যাম। নমস্কাৰ।
With Womanias, now there is a room to develop, a space with comfortable environment to grow in, accomplishing dream to establish women, or rather the empowered women in a better way and make an upgraded version of themselves.
Today, here I congratulate each and every one of you who's amongst us, who's getting ready, who's already established and who's already taken the flight. Wishing you all the best.
I'm Divya Siotia, founder director of GD Goenka Toddler House, Guwahati. It's important for a child to play. In play, they learn how to learn. No preschool can get away without overemphasizing the importance of activities in the holistic development of a child. We here in GD Goenka provide storytelling, public speaking, table manners, grooming, polish your body, sanskar, cooking, meditation, chess, gardening, yoga, zumba, you name it and we have it. Not every child was born to be an Einstein. We need Sachin Tendulkar, Lata Mangeshkar and Sanjeev Kapoor too.
I'm Swati Basotia, founder director GD Goenka Toddler House, Guwahati. The first ever tiffin-less preschool in Guwahati with premium infrastructure and equipped with 5 safety systems. GD Goenka Toddler House, Guwahati is famous for its comprehensive, focused and skill-based curriculum.
Hello everyone, myself Shweta Somani, founder and director of GD Goenka Toddler House, Guwahati. GD Goenka Toddler House is presently running in 40 plus locations across the world, and we are happy and proud to say that we are the first one to bring this brand.
नमस्ते, मेरा नाम निकी खेनका है। आज की भागदौड़ वाली ज़िंदगी में सबको हेयर फॉल का प्रॉब्लम है, लेकिन अब नहीं, क्योंकि मैं लेके आई हूँ एक केमिकल फ्री ऑर्गेनिक प्रोडक्ट जिसका नाम शुभ हर्बल हेयर ऑयल है। ये ऑयल बच्चों से लेके बड़ों तक यूज़ कर सकते हैं क्योंकि इसका कोई साइड इफेक्ट नहीं है। एंड थैंक यू फॉर वुमेनियास फॉर गिविंग मी सच ए ब्यूटीफुल प्लेटफॉर्म, जिसकी वजह से मैं अपना प्रोडक्ट आपके सामने ला सकी हूँ। थैंक यू।
Hello everyone, I am Nidhi Sharma and I own and run Maple Bear Canadian Preschool located at ABC Guwahati. Maple Bear Guwahati is a proud part of the fastest growing international preschool chains spread across 20 plus countries. We bring the very best of globally reckoned Canadian early childhood practices to India. Our curriculum is a playway curriculum which is created and updated by Canadian experts. We offer preschool and daycare facility and also very unique after-school programs that are meaningfully crafted. Maple Bear is based on Canadian model of immersion learning. That is why our school premise is an English-only zone. Our classrooms are spacious and unique because each one of them have their own learning centers to explore by young minds throughout the day. Recently, Government of India came out with new education policy and Maple Bear team was rejoicing because it was a win-win situation for us when we came to know that NEP and its framework is already in sync with our value system.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Khushbu Devi Agarwala, consultant dermatologist and cosmetologist, working at my own skin center, Derma City, situated at Royal Plaza opposite Apollo Hospitals, Christian Basti, Guwahati. Now I have been in this field for the last 8 years and have been treating all kinds of skin, hair and nail related problems. I have been treating all kinds of skin issues like acne, which may be adolescent or adult acne, and I have been treating psoriasis, vitiligo, allergies, infections, etc. Now in this era, we all want to look young and attractive, and I feel with a good skin and good hair, it adds to our confidence.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Saros Liwari, consultant newborn and child specialist working in Midland Hospital in Zoo Road. I am also the Managing Director of Midland Hospital. I have been practicing in my field for last 11 years and I provide comprehensive child care under one roof in Midland Hospital.
Hi everyone, my name is Dipti Soni. I am the founder of Grow Fitness, which I started 6 years back.
Hello everyone, I am Neha Agarwal, a home baker, and the name of my venture is Sip and Bite. We do all kinds of customized cakes, cupcakes, chocolates, dessert jars, be it for any occasions, birthdays, Christmas parties, bridal showers, baby showers, anniversary. Do reach out to us for your requirements and I will bring your dream into reality in the form of a cake. Womania, a wonderful platform which is given to me by Divya Siotia and Nupur to showcase my work and talent, where each and every woman entrepreneur has come up together to promote each other, help each other in growing together. I'm thankful to Womania and happy Women's Day. Thank you.